my gosh, you guys, I'm really excited because I just got a package in the mail and it's from Jooshica. It's the new Muse Gray contacts. It comes in this wonderful box, and when you open it up, there's these beautiful decals to help accentuate the face. And I just got them on. Look at them. Look at these contacts. They're just so beautiful. I'm really liking how the halo effect on these contacts.
Do you guys see how there's that halo effect? So
They look really good on me.
doesn't have too much of an enlargement.
And I hope they make more of these. My lights are actually going out now though. And I had a panda face going on earlier, so I had to re-edit and upload several sections of this video. Her to us. This is the Muse Shine Gray OLENS Jooshica edition. So it comes with like a little picture of Jooshica with a little note to her Jooshies. Then we got, you know, a couple contact lens cases, like there's this one. Very beautiful, very demure. And then I picked the Shine Gray. So I can't wait to try those. And it says, rise, shine, and unleash the new you. Wow, I'm definitely gonna put this on my bag. Her little Jooshies. And then there's these little contact lens drops. Alright, I got it open. It looks blue. Wow. I've always seen it as clear. Wow. I've never tried this brand. And there's several different contact cases. The one I want to show you is actually right here with a cute little bow. Wow, that's adorable. I love this case. How demure, how cutesy. I'm gonna definitely add this to my guest bag right away. It's a mirror on the outside, and if you flip it open, it's also a mirror. So I can look at my contacts. Oh, it's a mirror on the outside, and in the inside, it's also a mirror. So if the outside gets scratched up, you still got the inside mirror. Very smart. And I haven't seen a lot of these tools before. The Muse OLENS Gray contacts, and they're in my prescription. My eyes are like really bad, you guys. This is another one that they gave us. Left eye, right eye. And I like that it's pink. Pink is literally my favorite color. I haven't seen one of these before. Like a lot of the kits I've purchased in the United States do not come with these little like tweezers to help pick them up. But I really like this. I like this set. I'm so excited for it. And with the Chinese Zodiac Tiger eyelashes, they're all individual eyelashes too. So they're supposed to help accentuate your eyes a bit better than the full one because you can layer them. So I have one in the inner side, in the middle, and the outside. And I got the tiger one because I didn't see on the Tiki-Taki shop if there was a rooster one. I only saw these tiger one and a rabbit one, and I chose the tiger. Oh yeah, and it came with this cute little bracelet. I love how it like dangles and jingles when I'm moving. It totally matches my shirt too that I have on right now. Like, look at this. Look at this. Definitely. I don't know, you guys, where should I go with this outfit and this look?
Gray.
Definitely some kind of concert, I'm thinking, or a festival, for sure. Jooshica. Look at the OLENS case, and it's pink. I absolutely love the color pink. Ready? We're gonna open it together. Wow. Picture of Jooshica right here. Hi, Jooshis. You make everything I do worth it, and I'm truly blessed to have each of you by my side. You make everything so much more fun. I love you. First, I was really scared that I wasn't going to be one of the 800 people that would have got this. The Shine Gray. Look at it. Look at those. Oh my gosh. I love this. These off. Cute. Look at that cute carrying case it comes with a bow. Look at that. What do you guys think of the bracelet? I think it matches my shirt with the little danglies. So I got the Chinese Zodiac series. Individual lashes instead of a full set of lashes. Now I'm gonna do a mix of like circle and like these triangle shaped ones. Oh, one fell. Okay, so that is so far. This looks so good. Anyone want to like reuse these? Like keep them after you use them and use it like use super glue and stick them onto like makeup packages or something, because they are plastic. Because a lot of people probably are like, oh no, you're using plastic on your face. I thought you liked clean beauty products. Yeah, I like clean beauty products. You know, yeah, I'm putting these on, but thinking about it, like you're touching plastic and drinking from plastic bottles, so you've already done that amount. You could always reuse them when you're done, as long as you don't like lose them at the festivals, you know, or at the concert. Tiger eyes. And no, I'm not a tiger. I didn't see the rooster one on TikTok. If someone has the rooster one, let me know what it looks like, because I'm really excited to look at it and wonder what it would look like on me. That was everything in my Muse box. I'm really excited about my eyelashes and my contacts. And of course, these little decals are so perfect for my eyes to accentuate them. Go subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, also subscribe to Jooshica, because she's an amazing content creator like me. And have a wonderful day, beautiful creatives. And that was everything in my Muse box. I'm actually really excited about my eyelashes and my contacts. They're in my prescription too, so I can actually see now. And these decals to help accentuate my eyes are pretty cool too. And photo of Jooshica. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and to Jooshica's too, in case there's ever a moment like this again.